Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm filming with the Rusted Garage, or Todd. So we're kind of trying to figure out something that was going on with an engine that wouldn't start in a Genesis. Um, Kind of interesting what we ended up doing to test it. So just watch the video and enjoy the festivities.
I'm just gonna turn it for like a little bit.
Okay.
Battery's like, soy.
Alright, so this is probably against OSHA regulations right here, but we are daisy chaining jumper cables, and dollar store looking jumper cables at that,
Yeah.
up to here to start this. So, let's see what happens.
I want to see what the battery does.
Good idea. This is such a bad idea. Looks like we're good.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, I think. Well, how long will it run?
Did it shoot oil everywhere?
No, kind of. A little bit. Yeah, there's a little bit of oil, but my question is, can you rev it?
Yeah, really. I'm white trash and I'm in trouble.
So, what not to do? Here we go. Holy.
I cannot believe it freaking ran. How did this run? I mean, there's oil everywhere.
Literally everywhere.
Oh my god, but it ran, dude.
After daisy chaining jumper cables and completely soaking the engine bay in oil.